Sunshine is coming through this big window. So I was going to make muffins, and I realized that I think my mother-in-law has my muffin pan, and all I have is this jumbo one, and I didn't want to make jumbo ones because I don't have big enough muffin cups to do that. And so I was looking on the back here, and I think I'm going to make blueberry quick bread. And so I'm going to half this in two loaf pans. Rice pudding is getting about done. I add a little more cinnamon to it. This is my grandma's recipe, and Ronnie and I, we can't seem to make it through a whole gallon of milk in a week, so I got to do something with it. Why not make some rice pudding? Because I love it so much. If you guys have been watching my channel, you guys know that I love my pudding. So this is still cooking away, and it smells really good. I'll link the recipe down below if you're interested. I know I look terrible, but I just got out of the shower, washed my hair, much needed today. I got up a little, I think, too early, and I just started dragging. I made my bread this morning, and I made my rice pudding, and I hung curtains in the kitchen that needed to be rehung, and Ronnie helped me do that. And then I just felt so depleted, and I just told him, I said, you know what, I'm going to go upstairs, I'm going to take my shower, wash my hair, because that was the plan this morning anyways. But I remembered that I was going to cut Ronnie's hair, and his hair gets all over me. Well, it's 75 degrees outside, and so he doesn't want to cut his hair. He's like, I'm going to go outside, I don't want to worry about that right now. So I'm like, okay, we'll do it tonight or tomorrow, so that's fine. And so I came on upstairs and took my shower. If you're wondering why my face might look shiny, it's because I used the St. Ives facial cream. It comes, it comes in a container like this, but my label fell off. But I have shared it in the past vlogs before. It's very light and very soothing, and my skin is super sensitive, so I have to be really careful about what I use on it. I don't have breakouts or anything, but like just, I guess what you would consider to be like skin irritation. It just makes my skin very irritated and itchy, and I have to be very careful about what I use on it. Anyhow, I'm about to clean up here. I'm gonna make my bed. I'm going to gather the dirty clothes up here as well as all of the garbages. I'm going to take the trash out and do a few things that I know I need to do. And just know that I am super tired. But I am going to go down. I'm going to start a pot of beans for supper. We're going to have northern beans. We're going to have fried potatoes and Mexican cornbread tonight. And I'm also going to bake that banana bread because my bananas have been on hold and it's time. I'm going to make that bread. I'm going to wrap up my blueberry breads and just kind of try my best to get cracking. I'm just out of energy right now. Just out of energy. And it's a gorgeous day out, so there's no reason for me to be cooped up in here forever. So, but it felt good to get, sometimes you just need a moment, you know, just to get a shower, you know, and pull yourself together and start again. And so that's where I'm at. So now I'm headed downstairs as soon as I make my bed and clean up here, and I'll check in a bit. So now I am getting dinner on. This will take probably about an hour and a half, honestly, to cook anyway, so I'm not in any hurry. Pan of Mexican cornbread going in the oven. My beans are just about done, and then I'm going to put on some fried potatoes with some onions and peppers, and we should be good to eat. So I got potatoes frying back here. I just cubed them up. Got some onions, little bell pepper, some seasonings, garlic, Italian seasoning, stuff like that on there, salt and pepper, a little bit of oil in there, not much. I don't like it greasy, but there's a little bit of oil in there to keep things from sticking. And then this is my beans in here. And then, let me find the oven light. I got my Mexican cornbread baking up there. Well, it is that time of night to sign off with you guys and say good night. Can you believe that my hair is still wet from where I washed it earlier today? I had it up in this little scrunchie thing, which has my hair wrapped all the way around it. But anyhow, had it in a scrunchie band, and it didn't get a chance to dry all the way, and now my hair is still wet in the middle. So that is the curse of having really long, thick hair, is that it takes forever to actually dry. Anyhow, I'm in the bed, as you can see, and I'm getting ready to go to night land because I am so brutally exhausted. I took some beans and cornbread over to my mother-in-law's, and they ate. They enjoyed it, and I had some company. My really good friend Emma Lou came over to see me a little bit, and we sat on the porch and talked, and that was nice. And we had a beautiful day, so we spent a little bit of time outside. And what else did I do? Oh, I helped my mother-in-law move some more stuff out of the upstairs over to her house. So we made about, I want to say about 6 trips. Every day we just take a little more over there until the room is empty. So that is that. And I got to see Bo Bear tonight, and that was about it. That is what happened tonight. We came home and we watched an episode of Dallas. Ronnie and I love the old, do you guys remember the old soap opera called Falcon Crest? So those are some of the oldies. If you guys are not familiar, look them up. You'll laugh at the hairstyles and everything. Used to watch that when I was a kid at my grandma's. But anyways, I want to sign off here. I want to say thanks so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell for notifications so that you don't miss anything that comes out. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, usually in the morning or by afternoon, early afternoon. So stay tuned, and I am going to go to bed. Have a great evening, guys, or day whenever you watch us. Bye, guys.